you're wondering whether starting a blog in 2024 is still worth it, then you're in the right place. You might be asking yourself, is it still possible to make good money from blogging? Or isn't blogging dead? Well, I'm here to tell you that it's not only possible, but I'm going to show you how someone like you can go ahead and get started with full-time blogging and making over thousands of dollars per month. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to start blogging today to grow it into a 10K per month business. So let's dive right in. Step one, understand how you'll make money. Now, before you even start setting up your blog, you need to understand how bloggers make money. This will help you focus on the right strategies from day one and save you from wasting time on things that don't really work. Now, if you're just getting started with blogging, you might do what most new bloggers do, and that's trying to get into Google AdSense as soon as you can, thinking that running ads was the fastest way to make money. But here's the truth. AdSense is not a great way to monetize a new blog. Why Google AdSense isn't ideal for new blogs. If your blog has fewer than 1,000 visitors per month, you'll likely make less than $10 from AdSense. Yeah. Less than $10. It's not worth sending your hard-earned visitors away from your site for pennies. So what should you do instead? Step two, start with affiliate marketing. Now, my top recommendation for new bloggers is to focus on affiliate marketing. It's one of the fastest ways to start making real money, even if you don't have a ton of traffic. Now, affiliate marketing works by promoting products or services related to your niche, and then you earn a commission when someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link. And the best part is that you don't need to create your own products, and the commissions can be quite high. But don't make the mistake of just signing up for Amazon Associates. While it's really easy to join, their commission rates are really low. You'd be lucky to make a few dollars a month, and they can suspend your account for just minor reasons. Instead, here are some affiliate networks that I recommend based on your niche. Impact. Now, this is great for software and digital products. CJ Affiliates. This covers a wide range of different products. Share a Sale is ideal for home decor, fashion, and health. Partner Stack is perfect for promoting SaaS or software as a service products. ClickBank and Digistore24. These are also excellent for digital products like ebooks and online courses, often offering commissions of up to 85%. Now, to get started, all you need is a bit of content on your blog and an about page that your site looks legitimate. Now, when you combine the right affiliate products with a small but engaged audience, you can make your first $1,000 a month surprisingly fast. But first things first, what if you don't have a website? Well, that's going to be probably one of the most important aspects to creating an affiliate marketing website. Now, when it comes to creating a website, there are two hosting platforms that we highly recommend. The first one's Bluehost. So if you want to get started with Bluehost, we've got a link down below in the description. That's going to bring you to this page right here, and you can choose from one of their 4 different plans. There's the basic plan, the Choice Plus plan, the online store plan, and the Pro plan. For most of you just getting started, the basic plan at $1.99 per month is going to be more than enough to get started. Now, if you don't want to go with Bluehost, and maybe you just want to get started with a simple website builder, but maybe you want to work with WordPress down the road, then that's where Hostinger comes in. Hostinger is also running their Black Friday special right now, and you can get some insane prices on Hostinger. And what's great about Hostinger is you can choose how you want to build your website. Either using Hostinger's website builder, which is very easy and simple, or if you want to get started with WordPress and dive in head first, you can do that as well. And if you want to start with one and move to the other, you can do that really easily with Hostinger. So if you want to get started with Hostinger, click the link down below in the description to bring you to this page right here. If you go ahead and click on Claim the Deal, you can come down and choose from one of Hostinger's 3 different plans. If you got the premium plan, the business plan, and the cloud startup plan. But again, for most of you, if you're just getting started, the premium plan is going to be more than enough. So with the premium plan, you can build up to 100 different websites, which is crazy. You get managed WordPress hosting. It supports over 25,000 visits per month. You get 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, pre-built templates, a free domain for the first year, and so much more. So go ahead and just click on Choose Plan. Now, lastly, you just want to go ahead and choose the term that you plan to commit to, whether that's 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, or 48 months. For this example, I'll go ahead and select 12 months. And then lastly, you just want to go ahead and type in a coupon code here. And for here, we're going to go ahead and just type in code Charlie Chang, click apply, and then you'll go ahead and see for only $32.29, you're gonna get a full year of hosting with Hostinger to go ahead and host your affiliate marketing website. Again, if you wanna get started with Hostinger, click the link down in the description and use code CharlieChang at checkout. Step 3, set realistic expectations for display ads. Now, while I recommend starting with affiliate marketing, display ads down the road can also become a solid revenue stream once you have more traffic. So when should you add ads to your blog? Here's my advice. Wait until you hit 10,000 monthly visitors before applying to ad networks like Ezoic or Monumetric. Now, these networks pay much better than AdSense, and they'll require you to set up an AdSense account as part of their application. But don't rush into applying for AdSense too early. If you make a mistake and you get your domain banned, it'll block you from joining better ad networks like Mediavine and AdThrive in the future. Mediavine, for example, requires 50,000 sessions a month and pays significantly more for the same traffic than AdSense ever could. Step 4, sell your services to make money faster. Let's be real. Growing a blog takes time, and sometimes it might feel like a really slow grind. While you're building up your traffic and content, a great way to make money even faster is by offering your own services. For example, if you have skills in writing, design, social media management, or even just virtual assistants, you can offer those services through your blog. Now, you don't need a huge audience to get started. Just reach out to established bloggers or businesses that might need help. Then you can use your blog as a portfolio and showcase your skills. Here's an example of someone named Amira who started a blog about legal advice for bloggers. Instead of offering one-on-one consultations, she began selling legal templates through her blog and quickly grew her monthly income to over $70,000. So while you're growing your blog's audience, don't be afraid to leverage your skills and offer services to start making money right away. Step 5, create and sell your own products. So as your blog is getting steady traffic, the best way to scale your income is by selling your own products. Now, this might sound intimidating, but I promise it's a lot simpler than you think, and the potential profits are huge. Now, you don't need to dive into physical products with all the headache of manufacturing, shipping, and customer service. Instead, focus on digital products like ebooks, printable guides, templates, online courses. These digital products have almost zero overhead, and once they're created, they can continue to make money passively. Step 6, pick a niche for your blog. Now that you understand how to make money, the next step is to choose a niche for your blog. Now, why is this important? Well, your niche will determine the topics that you write about, the audience that you attract, and the products or services that you promote. Now, the most successful blogs are laser focused on one specific topic or area of expertise. So how do you find your niche? First, think about your own experiences, passions, and knowledge. Are there topics that you're interested in that also offer potential for monetization? Now, if you're not sure where to start, here are some profitable blog niches in 2024. Personal finance, health and fitness, home decor and DIY, parenting, beauty and fashion, food and recipes. Now, don't make the mistake of picking a niche just because it's popular. You need to pick something that you'll enjoy writing about long term, because writing content for your blog is sort of the whole business model. Step 7, choose a domain name. Once you have your niche, it's time to choose a domain name for your blog. Here are some quick tips for picking a domain name. Keep it short and memorable. Avoid using numbers or hyphens. Go for a .com extension if possible, and make sure it's easy to spell. But don't overthink this step. A lot of people get stuck trying to find the perfect domain name. But remember, you can always rebrand later if necessary. So if you're struggling, you can even use your own name as the domain, giving you the flexibility to cover a broad range of topics. Step 8, get your blog set up. Now that you have a domain name, it's time to set up your blog. And this part can seem overwhelming, but I promise you it's easier than you think. There are two main things that you'll need: a content management management system, or CMS, and I highly recommend using WordPress.org. It's free, flexible, and it's ideal for blogs. Just don't confuse it with WordPress.com, which is more limited. With WordPress.org, you'll need to pay for hosting, but it gives you full control over your website. The second thing you'll need is hosting. So you'll need a hosting provider to store your website files. And like we talked about earlier, Hostinger and Bluehost are both great options, especially if you're just getting started. Hostinger offers super affordable plans and is known for its fast, reliable performance, while Bluehost provides a beginner-friendly setup with excellent customer support. And if you're watching this around Black Friday, then you're in luck because both hosts have amazing discounts, making it an ideal time to snag a deal and get a free domain name for your first year. These discounts won't last long, so don't miss out if you're ready to take the plunge, and click the links down below in the description to get started. Step 9, make your blog pretty and fast. After setting up your blog, you'll want to make sure it looks good and loads quickly. The design of your blog plays a huge role in how people engage with your content. Here's what to do. Choose a clean, fast WordPress theme. Some great options are Astra, which has a free version, Nevi, Ocean WP, or the premium GeneratePress theme. Make sure that your blog loads fast because site speed is important for Google SEO. Use plugins like WP Rocket or Lightspeed Cache to improve your loading times. Step 10, start driving traffic to your blog. Finally, let's talk about getting visitors to your blog. Focus on one traffic source at first. It's tempting to try to get traffic from every platform: Google, Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. But spreading yourself too thin can lead to poor results across the board. Instead, focus on one platform first. Pinterest is a fantastic option for beginners because it can send traffic faster than Google. With Pinterest, you don't need a ton of domain authority either, and you can see traffic spikes within a few months of pinning consistently. For those in niches like recipes, home decor, fashion, or parenting, Pinterest can be a goldmine. However, if your niche doesn't align with Pinterest, for example, maybe tech or finance, focus on Google SEO instead. SEO takes longer to see results, but it's more sustainable in the long run. Step 11, build your email list. In 2024, building an email list is still one of the most powerful ways to generate consistent income from your blog. Having direct access to your audience lets you nurture relationships, promote products, and drive traffic back to your site whenever you want. For email marketing, OmniSend and ActiveCampaign are some fantastic options. OmniSend is a comprehensive email and SMS marketing platform tailored for e-commerce businesses, offering a free plan that lets you send up to 500 emails per month to up to 250 contacts, which is perfect if you're just getting started. So if you want to get started with OmniSend, we'll leave a link down below in the description where you can go ahead and get started for free. That link will bring you to this page right here. We can go ahead and click on Start Free. And then from here, you can go ahead and sign in with either your Shopify account, your Google account, or just an email address. Now, ActiveCampaign, on the other hand, is ideal if you're looking for advanced automation options, helping you engage and re-engage your subscribers with ease. Again, if you want to get started with ActiveCampaign, we'll also leave a link for them down in the description as well as any other email providers that we recommend. Now, to build your list effectively, start by integrating OmniSend or ActiveCampaign with your blog to capture email addresses from day one. Add engaging sign-up forms, pop-ups, or landing pages to encourage subscriptions. And consider offering a freebie or a lead magnet, like a guide or checklist, to make joining your list more enticing. So you can get started with OmniSend or ActiveCampaign by using the links down in the description to access the special offers and start building your email list today. And that's it. Those are the exact steps to start a blog in 2024 and turn it into a 10K per month business. Remember, blogging isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you follow these steps and stay consistent, the rewards are well worth it. Now, if you want to get started with any of the products that we talked about today, you'll find links for them down in the description below. Now, these are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue making free content just like this. So if you end up using those links, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on Side Hustle Mastery, we explore a wide range of side hustle ideas, strategies, and tips to help you make some extra income. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.